Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can create or make a group chat on Instagram. Let's get to it. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Then after you open your Instagram, you can click on this button. Then you have to click on this button on the top right corner of your screen, and you have to choose accounts. You have to choose the accounts that you want to add to your group. I'll go with this account. Just click on the circle like this, and after that we can click on create group chat. And wait for a moment, it's still loading. And this is the room chat or the group chat that we have just created, and you can type your message right here. You can type it right here, and you can send voice note or maybe picture or anything you like to this group. Okay guys, that's how we can make a group chat on Instagram. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.